There must what you rather may try home. Come on, and they begin come on, come on, you begin for DNA. DNA. May I just be what do you know? Now, we was I no sukrani the end. Well, test be a the pet and maybe whom why. And the man out of whom one is, for instance, if I say be our own or maybe Ghana. Now, person be our own common on it, be a 1 young crata or cotton America, 1 young crata, be a cotton UK and Germany. Omomra no wonhye emu no etwase enya dance die bi ekyerese enkwada ya wo se wo mami ensan enyina yo mo na mo nyobi ma bi na wo sabi tafrache wo yo mo do makọ obi ma so akotana ho. So to prevent child slavery ni sa de adninti no ye beka sa koye DNA test nti DNA test no wo mo de ende enye de wo akọ hu doctor bi no akoye wo mo be mo de nkwada na ba no pick samples na akoye wo test wo mo kromo di mo na ba na ye nya ahwese enkwala no a wo se wo ma no eyampa se wo ma ne wo mo ani ye kwan baako etimba so bi obi awu na prosifo akoye nhwemu na bi nipa ne ho akwa bi wa ye hu but ye pese hu se nipa am pase abusia wo mu no free na se papa we na ne ba no e ba na saa no nso a they do DNA test to confirm sampa wo fra abusia we mu eno so ho ye wo fa bi so abi ya ba ka se obi na makohia brante na wo na ka se bi me nua ne papa ne kwo me wa ha na papa no so ti asenso wa modinda sent ne ba bi obabi ana wa ba. Sometimes to establish the truth, I'm not going to pass. Oh, papa, in the call was about 30 years ago. We've been a friend again in Tia. It's important that you do DNA. DNA is what you confirm. You pick sample, you pick one. So I say it means similarities. Be what I say. Papa, we are woman, and always about your ways. This and many more, and a DNA test. I'm being here. But again, I know today, and as I call a Bushia be a judge. If you say, me, I'm going to a case be and Colin Moon back up and never panaba. Last born, first born in 0. These things brings problems or some kind of headache to some families. But Nina, when I'm not to say, yeah, money and you. Tell you, but say, and no, and then Marano, then a Marana can hear say a year and then we hear yes, and a lawyer Joyce Edu, because the last time you never a year, you can say surrogacy. Na woman also on the woman you ready to carry your phone na se bia bibinti for medical reasons bi want to put your phone na so person wo no obetrekere kwan a emra no makwan ma na se no kwan bi bituma faso damra kwan mu in a way and the steps that you are supposed to take to prevent any future problems enyina woni be decent come nicely and I'm sure said that the member no money je pa ma mo frɛ and this question and I said this issue I discuss no because of its importance and relevance, you be phone lines in them. No questions in setting abumpa. And Madame said, and Waba. And Waba. She's looking very pretty as usual. Madam, you are welcome.
Thank you. And happy Father's Month, if I should say so. So, most of them do Father's Day.
Father's Month. Father's Month. 30 days in 1 year.
And I think that, and I think the topic for today, no. Father's. Fathers.
Most as is similar to any other bunch and Monte, Nayanko. So, your first topic, DNA test, got no idea.
Nedi Kamema, wo Ashafone, wo Etiefo, and young Janum, young Papanum, young Wafanum, young Manum, in a happy Father's Month. Lawyer. Yaka DNA. Kakra memeti asene se. Obia wo inshenso dibia eda nenso.
Okay.
Na nye se ye nim a yetimi de hwese wonim ni. But wo menka ne wo brofo kase mana poto kase your genes or your genetic traits no obia won ede. Enti se pesi hu se okay lawyer officer ebusien we mu anas officer papa we ase anas fi mame we ase a DNA test ena memetimi di ahwehwe ne hu se okay lawyer fi se papa we ase anas officer mame we ase enti every individual our that genetic unique ebe ma we hu se what dance and answer winning and answer winning. So that is all about DNA. Into test and in kind of say BBA near dear who identity and now we be a woofy and now what to be more or less. So that is what DNA test is all about.
I see. So why is it important to do it?
DNA test most often
and the
for a very peculiar reason, and as a reason be a dance. Efa says Sabi Obiawo na papa eni eje ma meriawo me kwahwe me ba ma to me bedding otutu ne ntama dan we go what to the benedin de chese ne not to na metiko be na se na mama ye hu se ampa eye papa we ba ni a ochina Sabi se fa ne se japade hu sem ana se papa ne ka se da bi da eye me ba entimere hwe na ni nyina wiase ewo yen court dem ho yara.
Okay.
And that is the importance of we having DNA as part of young me fan say yemra kwanso. And no court on chain in some bebresi in terms of crime. Obia could do bone, obia ko ikumobi, and I also be da and I said bibi yeah the DNA test to able to come out and identify near you way film okay there be any way film you say oh it's nipa estimate so it's nipa estimate so say now the kind so most of the countries in fact I think generally every country now what immigration practices compulsory and you need a law, you need a lawyer to guide you to do all this. So that brings up the importance of DNA in law. And see anything about DNA, young fan say you're for wow interest, but the long term no, it affects the law. Criminal, yes, it is there. Family law, it is there. Immigration law, it is there. So many areas of law, you find the relevance of DNA.
I see. Said okay, I say, akwani asa bia mu wo hia DNA wo. Akwani asa bia say criminal law mu wo hia no ho, civil wo hia no ho, marriage, yes, or family, as you said it. Wo hia no ho. And I say abaye nso say amano no de emra wo. So also do ba na ekode a wo mo no say akwani di Twum Barimah ne nkwan kire say nti wo ba no. They don't believe in that. They want further and better particulars. So obi kan no. Nti further and better ne de the best way to get it ne say baka sakoye DNA bra. But say de wunim no DNA ne ye no nso no we yem kase kono ko hu doctor bi ya wunim no no yema na kofa mwa ne bra. Na se bia collab bia na ko bra da bi. Amano de omo a try bi pen de make kan munim. What try American embassy, what try British embassy that this application you know. The your mouth and colana bao. Now more pick a sample no from there. And they go around the test. And nabi echi. One more before say umuayaba. Nabra. Nabaji. Wokwa any seto binkum seto nifa. And the naja unu nyame no dada no na hono neko. Na hono no say. Ya na ubodi na baya adeso magana phone bi. It is true. Do you know why? Because results ne bawiya. E hono results na bawie na akwade ye no a se be case ya me no Nottingham court ya na 5 na 41 no sa no na the problem ne ba.
There's a confirmed statistics.
Okay.
Will chrome her.
Okay.
Say 7 out of 10.
Hey.
DNA test that way.
7
out of 10.
Okay.
DNA test that way, especially for firstborns. Most often, papa for them.
Hey.
When were you in it? So what
were breaking news? What say? So we in Baba said do about time be said do. So ubia yenko run DNA tester. U train ya homu ndi chemodu oso. 70% na se nipa ne mu nso. Ubenya na se omo de no.
Especially one first.
Be DNA the buy so won hweso man for the meantime. That is where the problem is. So you must. How relevant is this to the law?
Lawyer, say any relevant. And can you confirm pa wo krom ha.
Say kenya hwe. Say no bia na odima hwe ne ba. No bia na ho de no ho sa.
So betimi ahwe ne ba.
Ebim dia bo apayo. Say ntira me ka say fathers any responsible fathers. Ebi wo say that on rap plan ko. But you be so betimi ahwe na so mpo so be hwe.
Okay, so what shall you no ma? Okay, Birth and Death Registration Act.
Okay.
Act 1027. Okay, Section 17. What's the sawo apofra? As a sawo register apofra no. Now registration, what is the process? As a sawo ma ejadin. Enadin.
Say nipa me onye me na me be bundi o.
Na eja no. We Yerika eja yenim say ne hunsu ene wo e de sabofra ne be wi ase.
Na some say de onyim no nim ni kunu.
Enyamba.
Sa.
Enyamba. Betimi abodin ajo say we eye me ba, eye wo ba. Na ba kokko hwemu no, na ye wo ba.
Be so so ni ye bibi na ye bibi na.
Opa say kan nyina wa.
Kan nyina. Na ta bu bring the body.
Omo water no. Yes, omo water no. Lawyer, there's a case. Mami fa we ntwem. There's a case that mama and papa no atena for almost 20 years. Omo nyamba. Then after papa and mama no I saw montema tete ba wunyaye.
Okay.
And papa no eba krom ha. And also wabeshia obiabi. Yakoba no. Meanwhile, papa na on the year no. When you test the way we are seeing Nara. When we say papa na, and you do bit me, Sebi, obewo. Mami, papa ba kroma, so if you abroche no aba. No bet na ha, o sini dying. And see ya my way your back when who ni neje, or how what's name. Na, and check. Erane se menyem yakoba papa yawo into the richer obia be akono a on the netina for 20 years na on na wo no and papa ewi ya mami on na wo abofra society obeje property because papa ne ba all documents has proven that there's no way ya papa no sabi obetimi awo.
Okay.
This is a miracle, see. In Tebia, now the mammy, the miracle they see.
Some miracles,
this is still in the miracle business.
Sanity.
It's here we also raise on an over. Now the man is dead. This woman is claiming property.
Okay, but some papa no around me answer papa ni be.
Answer papa ni we. So under and it is presumed. Seneba. What share young evidence act na? A chair say, Sebi, Abofrebia, papa and a mammy atna. And one no. It is presumed say papa neba. So say papa no bet me add ma evidence be a case there be Abofrani yemi ban. It is presumed to say neba. Okay. So in this case, it is presumed say papa neba.
Sir. Exactly.
So at this time, Mama saw evidence to show that Papa na yan deal with me awo.
Oh, that be sending the.
Say Papa na wu.
And I mean, send miracle to one and who is a waiting. But we'll call the Chino.
So how do we prove this? So we need the DNA.
Oh,
and it's not. You will be very crazy. Say you will hospital one hour. Me pa mo chomo me DNA asena won yi mo fa.
Asana apie.
Anka be. At the hospital.
And that be wrong. The phone has been exactly 4:30 near Biatu.
At the hospital,
Yenye DNA no ha.
Yenye DNA no ha because now it is me the lawyer.
Na medical tria bills kakra wo.
Metia
abapum se wo no die awrane na sanfa menyim sika na.
Aho ne beba ho.
Ah, okay.
Because more case be am yes sir.
Okay.
But sesi anya DNA at birth. Papa yewu. This woman is laying claim to properties.
Okay.
Say papa ne ba. And so there are all evidence supporting that papa is sabi. Anya de no hu so betimi de abofra ya ba.
Amfaya.
Papa yewu. Efasi ye kotutu ne kakas. Ne ahwe ne say ye DNA ne ba na.
No tiase no ni ba biada.
Oniba.
Kura.
The oniba kura. Until now you are putting lawyers or you are putting the court in a very tight condition. Now sanka yawo ya na so obian DNA so the ba kofia. Anka at that point we're able to establish say okay a person mesiba and a person mesiba. Enti anka asem yi ba yi ye kwahwe ye DNA no na papa ne ba. Court upon. Because DNA was not done at birth. The man has passed on. Enti say no ye be ye dan ne hu say papa ne ba. This okwo papa ne busuani bi. And now papa no mami sort as you. So papa and this nyina ye dwuma bebre say lawyer say bi enti fefem ne ye. And send it to me defending a case like this. Enti lawyer, when we are doing say at birth, you DNA test. And ask me DNA. I
know the me personally dear, where the money from as host, but where they may come here madam as host. I know the me too. Say hona prokunam de baby arena shows nte hona na ya yabo no be ehun standard. Nti nyafe na epie be say the American me dia be katwa mu say 5 me ko case bi abrochiri. The case am hand am ka say be go na media nkwala num. The di kan member 9 na di kan no ba ko ketua twato na kwala na that time so no be less than 7 or around 7 years. Ono pe ne papa ne ba. And member 9 edi kan ni na akwa branche ni abro so be fan kwala free Ghana ba UK ni na no fired atwafa ho
nti at birth
nti ye no wo ho a
anka wo hu se me buy one na metimi a channel me resources to the one child na metimi a hwe ni ye
okay but so okasa oposo hwe for no so kan send
and it voluntarily
voluntary okay
you and you know that even under adoption
to
even decide to work for under adoption
okay
and now you're going under surrogacy and then the way jatum say sebe na ye me hende but me jatum say me ba. So at that point, I have pronounced. There are all documentations that show that this is a child I'm adopting. And you know when you adopt a child, you relinquish your interest in it as a father. Until the new parents in never. Until who papa be a one champion. Only she can. Until say made my fatum say my adopt Abofran. Until I channel all my resources to Abofran. But in the case that we don't know, now the one him say, oh, that's me back okra. Me wo mamba enum a wo behwe me me kai na nda ye ne papa no o te touch line hwehwe mofra no wo renyi ni nyina na okan mofra no when the 15 when the 18 wo we university obeye adwuma obehu anu asafesi me beje me ma and at that point wo investment kakra and now pension to kebi an ka de betu ha obedi kakra kan wo da hwe nkofo ma for
so I want a massive no and for that reason it's important we do DNA.
I also agree that we should do DNA at birth.
But
we understand that sabi ebinu wo kra wo kowo a sika wo be yi won kra be fie e yeden.
And this year no wo na sade no so no ye do so a.
Ye do exactly. Na say no better na nkola na ko fie. Just a hospital for no omo ahwe nkola no. Because the hospital ho. And the social welfare for so any more than nominee hospital for no any kasubo. Exactly.
Because one way me fie there dey na wo so.
Then the one person mo akoya adoption, mo timi akoya adoption with social welfare. But it is so painful and as it's so unfair on the part of fathers. Now why and just even the should I say the joy that was wow. The pride of a father. Now benyinga do baby, mo fan benyinga do baby was a share. When the cancel before your woman. We cannot teach in this to one or monitor mo fan in a way. So what is the benefit do you get in it? Or you have willed all your properties to these children. Now for say your ma. Ebe do ase no. Na ne papa oti baby na ba. Okay. Oje japade ba yen ko. Oje djuma ye hunu. You have toyed for someone to enjoy. And these are some of the things that makes it unfair. Yenfa enokranton chain lawyer. Yako under the case of Yenfa ne say criminal actions. Never be brave here. It is difficult to date, even to unravel who killed who. But at birth, see a DNA test. And then this criminal action has happened. If our records are right in this country, all you need to do is to go back and trace the suspects.
Okay.
Then you exonerate those who are innocent from cases.
Wrongful detentions.
Exactly. Your prisons why am I?
Oh, Mr. Prison, all my prison cases be it's like I said, and it shows
yeah.
I think it should be shown on DTV. Yeah. I don't know some good.
Myself, I do prison outreach a lot.
Thank you. Papa be I no interview no board now. Only two for the inmates. But I couldn't be born and I can 40 years almost after. And I confirm say nipa no come why you never you don't you know to on why never be no you chain no body
they got two more on some
oh you know them
I know them
are you
so if at birth near DNA not a case like this happen should someone be suffering in the prison I would say we join the family go oh and kasi say whatever the situation is obey juma kakara hwe ma and now cross say or a skill or some nimdiebi or between their boy mine or languishing in jail. So to me, I feel that DNA is so important that we should do at best.
Okay.
Before a baby hospital, yeah, DNA. Oh, where papa kwajuasi mesiba, where ya isi mesiba. It is confirmed. Or chance
can a court order for DNA to be done?
So, very much.
On what instances?
When say papa no adult paternity of abofra me hear case be say and in this case na papa ne person jaware because obiano worry abofra obiano fa yefunu odu be 6 months but na obiano so 250 oberma ne kanenum sem nyina so betu and now obiano too no ko high down from obiano o man all the excuse no it's a 2-bedroom house lawyer and then me 2-bedroom house e dan boni I say sir up a 3-bedroom house
no obi ti one bedroom no and ya bono you know a crossbar no crossbar ni bi dey man na one say yet nya artificial chamber ho
I say sir and e ko high 3-bedroom man no and okay what we are Barimah need to have a translate very much manema. And the sound brave here because me ko high another place ni nya ko to se member. Back and forth Barimah say yenko court ni ngu aware no. I'm so okay. Ni ko gu aware no. And a court na lawyer na ya on say before e be court no bia yi de abofo ya ko school a sabe ne bo ye den wo krom ha no obegina yeso o je school fees o je say
and it's true
and ordinary ko ne ekotua me kai pass am gina court dan ano and am tua abofra school fees na am so kwa for receipt bear me o say you when the divorce was pending ayere then ye divorce we court am custody say Barimah obia no kita abofra no Barimah no nya access Barimah no call back o second day o say cratch my men kan show me mafia he biom na abofra na ye oba hey nti Barimah no ba ka chem sa obia no abofra na ye me ba nti then e be we have to go back to court so court ordered and indeed they heard na abofra na ye cratch ne ba.
So now a question here on that, where this happens na minim se me banie ma boka hwe no na me wie ni nyina achi ba nyo ba bi management hwe manima ka trem se ya otwe nyo banie na mpa yakọ run test na fail se nyame ba. Can I sue the woman for any kind of damages that that I want?
Counsel, me JJ antenatal scar.
Hey, and as a sue any it me super.
Me JJ antenatal scar.
Okay.
Me JJ na Barimah ne maame ka chem say era na nyem no onjo fa bia opebare a wan chew ne corned beef
ahemna che
ai me say me je ni
na wan na kwache no say ahemna che onye bare a che nto
maame Barimah ne maame
ono no so che bare ne kuma no
o ma no corned beef a bia ka ho
nice one
eti ni nyina echi me je ni nyina you can put in a civil action and claim for those damages.
Excellent.
And again, it's a criminal bit of deceit.
Okay.
You have deceit.
Of course.
Yeah. It's all claim civil. No, I'm criminalizing that kind. Then nearko. Ochina onye bio.
Next time we're steady. Next time we're steady. We are live on Facebook on our Facebook page, Original TV GH, and that's Original TV Ghana rather. Original TV Ghana. We are live on the page. Streaming live. Original TV Ghana. Yeah, live was so now. Yeah, some few comments about way free Richmond, Japan, Buama. Was a interesting topic. The exposition by your guest is deep. Kudos to you, seniors, Richmond. Yeah, thank you, Richmond. He's one of my mates. I'm sure I was over here. Marshall, is it Junior or something? Was a good work. Also share was a good work. There are several people watching. Is it Freeman Avonyo is watching? Kelly Opoku. Okay, so another one again from Richmond. I said this is absolute wicked on one part of a woman to do that, to say that after doing everything as a man, only for you, the woman, to do that. Well, the wickedness, I agree, but that is a sentimental part. You had a camera.
The camera.
Yeah, nothing, you know. You take action against her for I mean such bad thing that one person would have thought of doing. And
see, lawyer, I make an say. See, I can man aspect now.
Yeah.
Also wickedness, but in man aspect, say the father's responsibility towards Abofran. What Australian Children's Act in the man, it is the responsibility of a father to take care of a child. And see, Papa na afane responsibility say, "My man sharp ofra."
So as me I can't say, a better topic about conversation will be discussed. Responsibility of the child to take care of the father to take care of the child. Some man should groom her diamond. Nti yebesera be disem komo ye wie die ne nsensem ya no so be wo mu ho ba bi na papafo na mo de se mo hwe mo man yet mo betra na mo so mo case ndi abiesu but ento aso
kenti yarehwe mra kwanso a every father owns a responsibility towards a child abofra bia se body na be wiasen you own that responsibility obesha abofra no the well-being the school call the health, the upbringing, the emotional being, you owe that responsibility. And see, say young fan say, ya wapofra, na bofra papa ere all this responsibility. Maybe we are no say yenepa.
A chance to move out.
I don't touch no. What boomeraso? I don't touch what boomeraso.
Anyway, my last question after your phone lines. What is the legal regime of this issue in Ghana?
We don't have any law specifically
ordering that.
But because since semi PPA were young courts, a PPA were young forensic officers, a PPA were young criminal. The court recognizes DNA, and they recognize that DNA is an accurate form of saying, "Say, abufra way back," and not saying way back.
My Mr. question you have before. So DNA ye ko ye na oba ne kasa me the hospital we na mepe. Enti ye nkwa ha, no so e.
E pacho court na mamra. Usually the court orders will accredited DNA laboratories are caught in the masse monko hankoye.
Okay, and the be man na so ba na pe.
We patro dey bi.
The mom dey court be
say enkoye na akoye wo ho to prove say ye ba anase yen ba.
What if you say akoye ba na still na no on ba ko no doubt with the results?
Oba no doubt with the results. We can go for a second confirmation. Let's go for second confirmation because the court has accredited DNA laboratories, not one. And obviously, yeah ba now say there be we mienu now saying the third one And if the results are all affirmative, then they're able to make a debi. This is a non-miracle BSc. And one of the doctor be born come.
Okay.
And I know about DNA income. And I say a papa be buy. And what year net test. The fact that you have semen does not mean that you have sperms.
Hey, Hans Brofu the model.
And see,
not the semen is need one and yes, sperms.
you should him.
And
Fire keke.
Hey, and you mention.
After years, and I'm a pay back. And I say, Mona must say, me new way. Na mako me banye. Into a person science test in the bio. Doctor and some science test no. Results in it is the same as how many years ago they no more year. And the doctor no say, how did this happen? No, so someone say only necessary call. And the doctors couldn't say anything than to tell them that Jesus is still in the miracle business.
Oh, of course. Nyankopon the miracles no dey wonyanya ye and dey say dey tiase ya nyina ye nkoye dey. Obakoso ya mayesa. Your phone lines is about to be opened. Na wa question wa frɛ mesremo wo frɛ lower your TV set entie wo hu TV ne so topic we na very hot topic e be discussing next week na yemwe wo frɛ na wo gina lines na wo tie hu na nyi na say nya feedback e be you from months ma amafofra bom. But just before that the phone line is open. The number is 0537 975 921 0537 975 921 ofra all the TV now boarding actually you are free na fair yadin komo kama. Richmond was say please who determines where to perform the DNA? And madam answer say was court with me order actually say monko this particular venue na center enquire test from record nti 8 million bi oba no akase bi onu bi akwahye ho ba bi na se bi bibi so that's one thing na se bi ba man so
but even that
okay
so when oba no kwahye ho this laboratories here they are discrediting themselves. Okay. It's one when they know the sensitivity of
such matters. Okay.
Aside that,
but already just one minute, so be online. Good evening, but the first refrain. Yes, sir. But the first refrain. Good evening.
Good evening. The family. Mr. Free Accra.
My own is Accra. My wadaruma.
Mr. Free Accra.
Okay. What question? Okay, my cousin, no one made the your plans in your content because he delay. So, just a quick one from okay, Rejoice, Rejoice in Kuma. I say amazing work, you are doing well. Thank you, Rejoice. Good evening, my dear first and friend.
Hello.
Hi. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, my dear first and friend.
Make us a free about your friend, Josephine.
Josephine, my dear too.
Me patron person was Accra no 5 months 2 weeks no na me nim se me nim ye hu ye no amopo ma me ntie no metini aye DNA amomo kire me kan na ama me ana
but busa question here I was say when you 5 months 2 weeks
2 weeks na me nim aha me hu se me nim na ye ko confirm wo mo no ma me e deny se me nim tu me ka se me nim die
why na deny ye
akwa boy ne ma me
boy ni mama say enye ne ba no e ba na and okay
enti ka say first ni e na msi ni yi ne sa de enye ne ba na
okay
enti se mi ni dia enye ne ba no na ni bi sa say se akwa ne nya 10 years
akwa ne nya 10 years
ka say DNA up to now me ntie hwe enti mbese mbusa madam say what bit ni aboa me.
Okay, thank you very much. Your question is very loud and clear. That's it. Madam Pacho dear Madam Mama answer. That's it. Thank you for calling. Madam, I've already 10 years. 5.5 months after. And who's on you? Now, no, when I remember, possible, I would say with me, but me what you guys was on you.
A binum to sir.
Oh, okay.
A binum to sir.
And you want to know so when you was having who you talk about. Bema na mane no bema we kwa de bema na ka o se ne bema na ma mese ne ba no anyim no
onkoko ompelo ya no nkokot
ompelo ya no nkokot
ompelo ya no nkokot
court with me aboa do
court be boa ne pa
thank you ti mini aba se court with me aboa pa
court be boa no abe order se wonye DNA
okay
a prove se e yakola no papa no ye ne ba o wana shakola no
na damages na no ko eno so na nde
ompe lawyer
good evening Madam Frost everything
ompe lawyer nombra
Good evening.
Yes sir, Madam Frost everything
Okay, Pastor, your friend Emmanuel.
All right, you might tell everything
The Kasafi station.
all right, so your question.
Me were some situation be more the same.
Okay.
Na many abayoabi awo.
Okay.
But for some time now, only me yen tawabi.
Okay.
Is it possible say match me a DNA? And before then, no. They say I mean baby Apollo was here. So also Apollo was the grandfather.
Apollo di beze.
Okunya 2 years.
Na wo hwe no.
Yes, me sure about.
But
say 2 months ago, me very serious. I got that hospital. And Yamin Kwan can be weird.
Oh, sorry.
And after say, you may feel hospital banner is when me find out to say, Akolani admin check.
Okay. That is within like 2 months ago, right? Okay. And they say no, how will you do the DNA?
I don't know me better me who say. In case he said, a beer, which me finding out maybe Akolani wa. And then na make me know Akolani wa, a beer, make me a year DNA secretly or no ground ya way before answer.
Okay. Your question is noted. Thank you.
Okay.
The question is quite diverse. In a way, sir, can he do a secret DNA without the notice of the supposed woman?
The last check I made share with Chrome laboratories no Chrome they need a blood sample
of the child.
And the father.
Okay.
But Yakobe before for advanced countries numa.
You didn't go take a swipe.
What I was saying.
Yeah.
Rush.
Yeah, because the member man swipe.
Exactly. Inti say what Papa we case in it. I think say Uncle Court.
Okay.
The court will order Mameno say on Fabu Franembra.
Okay.
And more especially because Papa no a sharp of franity or enough grounds for the court to order that on Fabu Franembra.
Okay.
No one DNA to confirm say Papa no bana and as anybody.
I see. All right. Gloria Ajua Opon was very educative. Anna Chris, is it Blacko? I say Fatami Chris Madiam Udini Fatami. But I like the way the woman talks. This topic will open our minds on issues. Indeed, it all. Good evening, Baja Frost and Free. Hello.
Yeah.
About your low TV, no not to maintain you. What I
Lulu Mammy. What's it?
But you're good evening.
I am but you could friend Kwaku, I'm going to me.
Welcome to was in a cow, Boko. How say?
Master say, some more Cassie DNA at the Bethnedia at the Awarija baby Babo.
Sound.
Yeah. Because of them we said, Mauba, I heard DNA test. And never back. How do I continue again? It means that Oban on your face to me.
Yeah.
It's at the Awarija baby Baba. If I don't with you, dear.
You're too bad.
Aha. At the Awarija baby Baba because Mauba. You call the DNA test at the bed, no? And never back. How do I continue? That's Oban your face to me.
Enti Guadaramo. Sir, over Tramonan Colana never obeys any and your dear. And no woman wanted to the Anaka.
Oh, the can be a minute, but you won't say, well, assassinano. Assassinano will say, and never bet me down by men drunk or wins here.
But said,
men drunk or be no, I can say, Abia, me belly, me baby, because my wings are ban or no, Madame Eka said, or band to Quatra baby. Not as of them out for backward and in the bitch here. So, in Tiano, dear, some of us had Beth Lydia, and our daddy Gruma, the Ghana, the young fan baby.
Well, going to I'm sure.
A stitching time
Saves night. Good. Yeah. And of course, Imagine to Musa, yes, our year which you are back, not about those there, but it's young. Prevention, they always say, is better than cure. It's better than cure.
And again, I'm making say, so well. Na stop per so per obiana. Twice
exactly.
Oncha mo. E bia na wakasa no ntumi enye to be ya ma wa no aka wa no atum no aye. But se na be your china emfa ntawa ma. Ana so china obi no bi nkoko ntokwa se ye papa ba ye papa ba.
Na obo a wono so baba so obagina dia ko tie no. E ho so asefo. Good evening, my dear friends, everything. Okay, what's it yes you? But everything.
Please, my question is just simple.
Okay.
So, Obama, Ombeki testi I be any answer. Wawana, so Obama 2 months to 3 months,
okay, thank you. Thank you. Madam, is it possible?
In fact, to the best of my knowledge, this is Akola now answer.
Oh, and so
Akola answer.
Okay, because we hear Akola sample. Okay, I think I agree. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to share Facebook messages in there. Gloria. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you, Gloria. Richmond. Thank you. Okay. Richmond said there should be a second bite on this. Of course, Richmond next week I to us. Madam Manyachin there now and one when Makachen which ordered that. But the machine. See what to us next week. Yes. Good evening, but everyone's everything.
The first Medina.
Okay, but you.
Okay, but my question is Sanya Mamene Canada right, but a bit more municipal, so on implement law, Sanya Baya, or more municipal, or make DNA for the start, Sanya Baya, and Alanina and for how the other. There's no big mission 4 or 5 years, and back. And in the area more low here, President Nana so be implement, it's Sanya Baya at the bois others.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Your point is well noted.
Me know where you map out.
You money over here.
You're sorry, guess yeah. You're dear.
Yes, at least and not say if you miss a tip little.
I was sorry, guess you say DNA so aka ho. Eh bia na NHIS be fa.
Oh, of course. Yes. All right. Good evening, my dear friends, everything.
But your firm, Honorable Gilbert, my friend, Wineba.
Honorable, you too.
And you, maybe be a catchy bureau.
Okay.
But I could say no more cabani in 9 days. I know I say on in Snabim.
Okay.
Not so also in Snabim, the chino, young Yana, Watson, or Kafa different able. Now, different way no, maybe the mamma Saturday. Girl, no more than a war on the name, answer oil than oracle.
Okay.
And Paso or one with a girl near and Unison.
Okay.
This year, I can say, on your boy and all. Girl, no owl. Boy, no so catch a man, no so day, a banning in the back.
A young boyfriend, no, I catch a old brother and say a banning in the back. My
brother, no, I catch a boyfriend a day, girl, no, but what the girl in Unison. Okay. Well, about that time, you funny 1 month.
Okay.
In what catcher, boy, no so fun home.
Okay.
Sisia to wow, Bano. A Bano so, Sisia, you can say, on your boy, any baby answer, you know, my brother, say.
Okay.
This issue, no.
I'm saying the line and but I think the points in the way what you're making. A day in which my I saw a cerebral power, and then be a brother pepper, and now that way now. Then with my
oh, this is court. On my court order. You call juvenile court. Yes. They will order someone paternity test to prove one and a year biological father. Then after no say what I call a man the banner or the man the banner and the banner ashen and send naughty. A boy heart to send a boyfriend American. Be another boyfriend is a super ban. And it's on so prayer. But of course, lawyer only maybe I can say you come higher tenor. Yeah, far abasam in Nilgori. The society even
pause on that for me. My last call I'm picking whatever for me. Now we are not finding Nadia boom and enough here. Good evening, but first everything. Last caller. Hello. Yes, sir. Good evening, but first everything.
Evening, me de same me kase fi tamale.
All right, thank you. Tamale for it. So be a here there.
Oh, yami ado bi an here.
Nice one.
I have me ta shop pa ye program we nkwa na me ta shop. Politics so here for we be out for me ta shop.
Yami sha.
Yo. Bede am futu am de ma be me biar se o yiro se o mpono nya wo nge to ho ko ye die ni because at the way a man in be man ye bo bra no this time no emwa
obi afa ntobia
obi a ntina ne die onya wo nge ko ye die ni because be man oba na ne na wo no be man no se bia na wo so akoye bi oba bi foforo ni pa no so ko ye die ni sa
okay
nti nya ye di ni chimpentiro die anesa na watena sia ba ko mienu miensa ansana bibiesi na waka koya masa no na wanhwe a obetwa nkwan so tem e bia oni sa kukuduro no ti se bi o menkai oda tela je yawo oni sa kukuduro no ti so no musa na wanhwe na okutwa nkwan so tem ti ni die ne de ehu hia papa me da se mo nya me nya adwuma
e da se onso nya me ntena e watamale nti ono de na futuro de ba se die ne de I said the rate at which obi anfa ntobia no member na tiasi man so afabo ombo ne de
be quiet start here obo say mesme de wa ha eno bi so de wa ha eno bi so de wa ha pie subset no we afa we na kokko we de but na me can say me can say no be say me adoption man eno say lady now or pregnant no a side chick of a man. Now it's a side chick of Obi.
Okay.
And the man doesn't want the child. Now me catch you and say, onim kroma.
A side chick man, side man no empakwala.
Empakwala no.
Okay.
Enti akwala no girl no onyem no say nipa kon betimi adopting at birth.
Okay.
And I me catch you and say no, it doesn't happen.
Okay.
In this part of our world, especially Africa, you do ni papa. Me can say me insurance case be lawyer. But down for car born and the bush for buy.
One day someone to
exactly. Exactly. And this time like this, eh be back at your son pay. But babu fane meto hong up a fan there.
Yeah.
It is the
aside
that the pride around it that a man would want to say me Benny. It's so much. The stigma around it says Sebionam Honunipa. It's society frowns on it one way or the other, especially by young African men. And see, Papa in the case no can say ne ba no ne boy no. Eh be a boy no super so nam say ne yere out. And it's not exactly it's not really claim to a fan. So the only point is let's do a DNA test. Let's confirm say and answer the new boyfriend. Then we can say so okay. New boyfriend for the man. Couple before front of
I see. All right, Kobina is watching. Kobina, thank you very much. Is it Power Possible Gibson? Okay, I say please. I want to know if. Is it like I can sue a lady who gave my kid to another man? I think you first need to confirm whether or not before you go and see my brother.
Now what you are there?
Son of you want me to take that step. Godfred Michael, I say may God bless you people for educating us on this topic. Thank you very much, Godfred. This topic is a very interesting topic. I know. Me a brother bass and we discuss it. But need more so brave can some topic with it. Can be here and post and can over 2 hours and can but then you know, and then maybe you be a next week. Was for free at home, and they are to us up on him. So the question in there, one say I come what I said, DNA is possible. A court can order a BS would be in your say DNA, and the court can also direct as to which facility you should go to. So facility A, no quite one for resources much. Yeah, the banners are choose on Tiasia, Chum or Quanto to call for the retesting. Yes, Uncle Yibimuna to whether affirm or deny whatever thing that has been given out initially. What did not turn China? What's Chandy who said there's a recommendation, second, would be not better, even though Cabana very frequent to me. So, well, I said they are our young Roberto. But the point is that I don't know what I announced who will be soon a produces movie on so I don't know. And it's a very big question. So, I want to say, Kunias Messidia, and yeah, come on, Mobia. So, I think Mobia, Moamunam Hontas and who come palm with your faso. Nemu makokata munya kwa jina wanting abroad itwanso mo madaroma enti my madam Your last words as we sign up for today.
Sir, my last words will be a teaser and a bare question.
Okay.
Mama who can say abofra it's me bisa for paternity test now.
Okay. Question we next to get back. Mo amohwe na mbe ya no ma yen. Ti wa awohwe bia twon answer no to next to get back na wan kasa wa boy na the answer na ba. Was say emran so ma kwan. Se me an kasa so kasa pese me hu papa. Ti me aso me ko edie ni. Me am ko and we dey nya eja na efre o. Na kasa pese mu se mba ni. Na se ma me na e challenge no. Now the child itself can akwala to challenge and call for a DNA test to be conducted to ascertain who is my father.
Biological father.
Very important question. But we answer na man from book na man to me answer no. But next week me say share do answer na. Ya can say na because obi oje brahwe e bia na yakopon shira so oje brahwe in the production team somewhere hunto being the producer executive producer Ira Sam Kwada de Renchi. Asadaka say nkomo the production technical team am botan chire hwe ma yen my timba enyina MCR ne obiara asadaka say so nkomo na mo amoje brahwe on Facebook and so I've been able to acknowledge most of you guys there. Most Yankopon Sham in some share on Facebook, one more share with fear so Yamisham. Next week, but be the same with the same person and the same lawyer. I'm sure, sir, and I've seen comments coming out more commended the way I will see a mom elaboration and explanations. Money Ajahu, Yankopon Shobiera, lawyer in the transiting commander, a lawyer Joyce Edu, and a near bedin commander. Next week, I may admire Obasani at Transibium. Me am betena chide edi ho chia me edi ho refugee jehuma na ye woni gye nso medin am gye so Twum Barimah akopon adom a yebesa hia na wohse ne yame nshro bia
Original TV Ghana ye dieni
Abusia, a jebo, a janwanya bedru.